This is something different. This is a sample application that's developed by Facebook to demonstrate their Facebook Connect technology. We'll take a look at the sample application and then take a look at how this sort of thing is done. The application can be accessed through Facebook's developer site. You can also download the code and see how they do it. What I'm looking at here is a common type of website. It requires a certain type of registration so that it can store some data here. I need to register so that my data that I'm entering into this website can then be retrieved later on. I'm greeted by name. I haven't logged in, so my name is guest. I can register for an account up here. Typically on this type of site and on a welcoming page, there's at least one, but more often two, sometimes even three places where I can register for an account. If I already have an account, I can log in here. But this is new. I can now connect with Facebook. And if I try to connect with Facebook, I click this button, and notice the URL up here. I'm going to a facebook.com address. And Facebook is now in command, because this web page has, after I clicked on this button, has gotten in touch with Facebook and is going to explain to me what will happen if I allow this connection to take place. It will connect this website with Facebook. The information, particularly friends that are on Facebook, will be available to this website. I will be able to publish content to my wall on Facebook. Now, there's fine print down here with the terms of use for Facebook and the terms of service for this website. If I've clicked here and I don't have a Facebook account, I can sign up for Facebook down here. If I do have a Facebook account, it may remember my email address, and I can connect just by typing in my password. Now remember, this is one of my developer accounts that I use for testing. Notice up here it says welcome guest. It still does. That's what it said when I first opened this page. I'm now in the process of connecting to Facebook, and what it now says is welcome. This is my name on Facebook for this developer account. This is my profile picture on Facebook for that developer account. What I'm seeing down here is information that this website has stored in its MySQL database. These are my recent runs. These are friends. This information, the friend information, came from Facebook through Facebook Connect. This information came from the MySQL database that this website is maintaining, linked by the Facebook user ID. Remember, you can always store information that you generate, but you can only store basically the Facebook user ID. So I'm getting information from Facebook about, as this page is loaded, about who the friends are on Facebook, and then I can look them up in my database. Now I can say that I ran on the lakefront 1 mile, and I did it today, let's say. I now have the choice of publishing this on Facebook if I want to. I'll say yes, I want to, and I'll add it. Now notice that what this site does is it's now publishing it to Facebook. The data entry here is remarkably simple. I only have to type in where I went and the number of miles, and I can type in a date or just use one of these links to create today or yesterday. This is where the power of Facebook Connect becomes obvious. Now I can add to this very simple data, where did I go, the number of miles, and the date. And I can publish some text along with it. The combination of free-form text and minimal data entry combined with the information on Facebook makes this a remarkably efficient way of generating new content for Facebook, yourself, and your friends. This has now been published. Now I've logged into Facebook, and I can see that I've actually been trying this several times, and this is the text I just entered. It was beautiful until it started to rain again. You can see that it rained yesterday as well. And this is the information. All I did was to type in the word lakefront and the number 1, and the date, and I added some text to it, but I didn't have to, and now it's shown up on my wall on Facebook. But wait, there's more. I've logged in to one of my other developer accounts. See, it's not TJ, this is TJ2. And I'm looking at my newsfeed here, and lo and behold, what happened is this is the item that I posted under the other account, and it's showing up as one of my friends' postings. So the information was published to Facebook, first of all to my newsfeed, and then to my friends' newsfeeds, again subject to all of the constraints. Who wants to see what do they like, what do they want more of, less of, or whatever. But the very, very efficient way of getting data and sharing it with Facebook, the equally efficient way of getting data from Facebook, such as the friends list, and using it to share data from the MySQL database. This is the power of Facebook Connect. And now we'll take a look at it and see how it's done.